Yeah, this would be a faster setup if we trust the cleanliness of the tables. But
yeah, we're not going to raw dog it.
Anyway, can I get a number?
35.
35. Oh, listen. 35. Oh, gross. Okay. This is called Pac-Man's Swalty Race. The cast knows what that means. Okay, this is, yeah, we're going to need a table after. This is Eric versus Nathan.
I will take that.
You want this way or you want it side?
Yeah, I like that. I like that. It requires a little bit of prep. So, while we're here, I'd just like to, say, hey, how you guys doing today? Emotions are all right. This little challenge that we're about to do is based on, I believe, something Eric used to do at summer camp.
Yeah.
Summer camp, that's right. So, yeah, this would be a faster setup if we trust the cleanliness of the tables. But
Yeah, we're not going to raw dog it.
One time at my church camp, for Jesus, I had to drink a soda through my own sock. Whoa. This is going to be like that. I don't know why God was involved in that process. Right. Might have been fascinating.
mysterious ways.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay. Okay, so this challenge is not based off of overall time, but speed and the ability to eat your way along this line. We only had 2 volunteers for this task.
And you think like, oh, it's not going to be that bad.
You see it. You see it in front of you.
Oh, God.
It's beautiful. Oh, the smell of the cheese is wafting.
Yeah, it is.
Is that Gruyere?
It's good.
I have a preference. You can choose which side.
All right, you guys ready? Okay, when you're ready, on your marks, get set, go! I believe that was Nathan by a hair. Oh,